Now to the latest on coronavirus in Arizona. The Department of Health Services confirmed that more than 1,500 new cases of the coronavirus in Arizona have popped up, which brings the total to almost 30,000. Today's number of new cases was the second largest spike since the beginning of the pandemic. 25 more deaths were also reported, bringing the total to almost 1,100. And new tonight, faced with a soaring number of cases in crowded hospitals, Maricopa County public health officials now say the face mask could stop the spread of the infection. As of today, all county employees are now required to wear a mask on the job. Team 12's Bram Resnick explains why health experts are telling everyone it's time to put on a mask.
This is the new message, wear a mask. It was also the old message, but most places don't require them, and few leaders were promoting them, including Governor Doug Ducey. But facing dire projections about coronavirus cases and with new scientific evidence in hand, public health officials are changing their minds.
Dr. Rebecca Sonnenschein wants you to know she's a big fan of face masks.
Make sure it fits well around your nose.
But Maricopa County's medical director had a confession. Until now, she ignored CDC recommendations.
I did not routinely wear masks in public.
New studies prompted the change. Maricopa County is now requiring all employees to wear face masks and follow social distancing guidelines.
A well-fitted cloth face mask can actually prevent COVID-19 from spreading.
Coronavirus cases, hospitalizations, and deaths have surged statewide since Governor Doug Ducey's stay-at-home order expired May 15th. The number of positive coronavirus cases has more than doubled, up 166% to almost 30,000. One of the state's largest hospital networks says its intensive care units are almost full.
And now the data is freaking me out.
Former State Health Director Will Humble is worried about a projected shortage of hospital beds next month.
The problem isn't today, and it's not this afternoon, and it's not this Friday. The data is pointing to a problem on July 1st.
But Humble gives Sonnenschein credit for changing her mind.
Now that there's evidence that the masks protect both you and others, that's even more. It's even a more compelling reason to do it. Plus, we see what the data is looking like. And it's not good.
Social media wasn't impressed by the change of heart. Jamie Glass summed up the reaction. Wow, 4 months late. One big question, what will Governor Doug Ducey do? He shunned masks. Last week, the governor hosted a luncheon buffet for 30 staffers. No masks and no social distancing. A spokesman declined to say whether the governor would mask up. In Phoenix, Bram Resnick, 12 News.